Hey guys, what's going on? How much would your affiliate marketing business change if you're promoting Legendary Marketer with these 5 free websites or places I'm about to show you, where you don't have to go and start spending money on ads, on people, and actually could save that and get free organic traffic to your site, to your website, and start generating leads? If you do, my name is David O. Thanks for joining me back on my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, I talk about affiliate marketing, online businesses, passive income, other ways to make money online. So if you guys are new, if you guys are actually interested, I do have a description or a link down at the bottom here where you actually could get started. But let's go ahead and jump into this video here. Like I said, we're going to be talking about 5 free traffic sites that you can go where you can promote your links, your website, your products, and get leads and start generating leads for free. So this first site that we're going to be talking about is going to be Quora, and Quora is actually a really awesome website here where you can actually turn this into a passive income where you actually just start generating leads while you actually put in the work in the beginning. Quora is pretty much a place or a website where you can go and ask and answer questions. So many people have questions to ask or whatever, and you can come up here, answer your or look up stuff that you're actually into. Let's say, for example, like I am right now promoting Legendary Marketer, right? So let's go ahead and put in Legendary Marketer up here. And so with Quora, the biggest thing is you have to actually go down and pick a specific niche, okay? You cannot go really broad, because the more broad that you go, there's going to be a lot more answers, a lot more people. But the thing is, it's going to be very difficult for people to kind of start seeing your answers and for you to actually start being seen out here. So like I just typed in Legendary Marketer. Is Legendary Marketer a scam, right? If you're a Legendary Marketer and you've gone through the course and you're promoting them, you know very well that it's not a scam. You can go and start answering their questions. You see here that they have 11 answers, okay? So this is actually, like I said, you got to niche down. So you're going from people asking questions to making money online to affiliate marketing to Legendary Marketer. All right, so now we're actually specific on what we want to do, what we're trying to answer. So 11 questions, it's easier to beat people with 11 questions compared to another question that has like 200 answers, right? So you go in here, you type in your answer, and actually you can put in your links like, hey, so it's Legendary Marketer is not a scam, blah, blah, blah. You put in your 2 cents on what you want to say. It's in here. Follow my link. You can actually go where you can get some more information. You can send people from Quora to your YouTube channel, right? So they can get more information there. And then in your YouTube channel, you can start pitching. Hey, go to my link here. Start the Legendary 15-day challenge. You can send them to your Facebook, right? You can send them to your actual link in general. There is a myth that you're not supposed to put your links in here, but I haven't actually been cut off or cut off. So I mean, don't do it every time. I would say about every other question, whenever you could actually send them, hey, go to my YouTube channel, send them somewhere else, and then on that other platform you could actually capture them. So seriously, wake up, do a couple questions here a day, answer 3, 4, 5 questions a day. Probably take you maybe 5-10 minutes, and you're done for the day. And over time, you're gonna start seeing that it is actually gonna grow. So this is the first website, and I actually use this, and I have seen an actual increase on people that's been viewing my stuff, that's been going to my other links, and so forth. All right, guys. So the number 2 traffic, it's going to be Pinterest. So we're going to go over to Pinterest. I don't personally use Pinterest as much. I did used to use it before when I was actually doing drop shipping and my other stuff a while ago. I haven't really used it anymore, but this is actually another search engine, a search engine. So what's really cool about this, that people that do come to Pinterest, they're actually already ready to buy. Okay, they're not just kind of browsing. They actually know what they kind of want. They put it in, and they're actually looking to, you pretty much have your work's already halfway done. Okay, like I said, it is a search engine. What you do is you just create little pins like you see here. And the cool thing about Pinterest, since it is a search engine, once you go inside your pin, you could actually, and they do allow and encourage you to put your links in here. So you could actually direct them directly to your website, to your affiliate link, if you want to send them over to your YouTube channel, a blog post, or whatever that you do. It's actually really easy to do that. So you pretty much just kind of come up here and you create a pin. And once you come up and you create a pin, obviously you want to make a picture, whatever you want to put right here, the title, you want to actually catch the person's attention, the customer's attention, and then tell them a little description on what's it about. Hey, legendary marketer, affiliate marketing, make money online, whatever. And then you add your link down here and you publish it, and it actually goes through. So, and just to kind of give you a little, I'm just going to type in affiliate marketing here, and you can kind of see that all these pins right here are for affiliate marketing, people that are trying to make money. Ultimate guide to affiliate marketing, 27 places to use links to make more money. So people that do come on here are interested. They're already ready to buy. They're looking into it. So you pretty much already have your job halfway done, and you just have to like hook them. You got to throw that pitch so you could hook them and send them over to your link. So, or to your website or whatever you got to do. So like I said, I used it a while ago. I am going to start using it in the future that comes up, because it's another awesome free platform where you don't have to spend, get your name out there, put some more posts, and start generating some more leads. And of course, hopefully you want to get some more conversions. So this is number 2. And like I said, it's actually pretty awesome. All right, guys, number 3 on trying to find 5 free traffic methods. So number 3 is going to be Facebook. So we're going to be not Facebook in general, but Facebook, creating a Facebook group. Inside a Facebook group, you could actually create and post stuff that you sorry, let me put this down a little bit. You could actually post content information there for your followers. So here, this is actually inside my Facebook group here, and what I do is I actually post what I'm about, what I actually offer. I could actually post my link here up here, and then of course whenever there's like new YouTube videos, I could post it here, so my followers could actually see what's going on. They could be the first ones to see the new information that I put here. The thing about Facebook and Facebook groups is you have to be a lot more specific on what you're actually trying to say inside these groups. So like we were saying a while ago about Quora, you have to niche it down. So if you're talking about making money online, you have to come down to affiliate marketing. Even by affiliate marketing, you have to niche it down a little bit more. And let's say legendary marketer. So we are promoting legendary marketer, and now you could actually be specific in legendary marketer and kind of showing your followers that you have in your Facebook group that you're specialized in this one category. So when they do come and join, they could ask you a specific question, and they could actually trust you and have more confidence in you. So that's the biggest key about this whole thing. They have to trust you and have more confidence in you. So that's what you kind of do. And then of course, once you do that and you have people in your Facebook group, you could actually connect on a deeper level. People could ask you questions. You could actually FaceTime them, message them in here, and just kind of go a little bit more one-on-one if you wanted to. That way your customers, or not your customers, but your followers actually would have a better understanding on whatever you're trying to do. So on Facebook groups here, so when you do create one, like I said, you actually have a lot more control in these groups here. You can actually post your links. You can post your YouTube videos, your blog posts. If you do blogging, you could send them somewhere else, give them information. If you're selling your own product, put specials, hey, 50% off, or whatever you guys have here. What I do on these Facebook things is I actually have questions. So when they come and join the group, I have 3 questions to ask them, and this is for me just to kind of understand them a little bit on where they're coming from, where they want to go. And then of course at the end, capture their email. So like I have here, do you want to make more money online, create a business? So obviously if they say no, this is probably not the group for them. How, from a scale from 1 to 10, what is your experience? How do you feel about affiliate marketing? That way I kind of know, okay, this guy's a little bit more entry level or has a lot more experience or whatever. And then of course on the bottom, to capture their email. Okay, this is a way that you can actually connect another way. So you capture their email, you have them, and when there's new specials coming out, or when you have to promote something or do whatever, you have their email and their Facebook group, so they can start seeing that omnipresence where they could actually see you. All right, I see them on YouTube, I see them on Facebook, I see them in the emails, and that way they start getting more confidence in you, and they can start trusting you, and you could start, like I said, specialized in that specific group. So the Facebook group does take a little bit longer to grow. Obviously it is a little bit more time just because you need more people, and as you start growing, once you start having those couple thousand or whatever, it's going to be a lot easier. And like I say, you start interacting with with your followers and inside the group, and that would actually make it a better experience for yourself as well as for them. So all right guys, so number 4, we're going to be talking about TikTok. So if you guys don't know what TikTok is, or if you do know a little bit about it or whatever, TikTok is a crazy organic app that just came out. I'm on my other profile. Let me switch over to this one. So I do got 2 profiles. One just talks about main business, like this one right here. The other one's just kind of like my work or whatever, just kind of playing around. So I kind of like separate them. But TikTok is pretty much a platform where you can get a crazy organic traffic to your actual app, to your profile, and then send them off to somewhere else. But what it is you actually post 15 to 60-second videos, and you pretty much could talk about anything. Of course, we're in the making money online affiliate marketing business, so this is where you actually go and start promoting. So you can kind of see some videos that I have here, and pretty much kind of promote them. And at the end, you actually ask them or tell them, hey, subscribe to my YouTube channel, go to my link, start your 15-day challenge, go whatever. And you do have a link right here, and it looks a lot different on the phone, but on the website it is different. You go onto your link, and on your link, I use EZBioLink, and on your link, you could actually send them to so many different places. You can send them to your website, join your Facebook group, you know what, have them watch some videos on YouTube, subscribe to your YouTube, whatever, you know, the marketing book, have all these places, send them to Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, pretty much anything. So you can put one link and send them to every other place and capture them. That's what you want to do. TikTok is like a quick and easy, like, hey, you want to follow me? Yes. And then you send them over, and then that's when you try to sell them onto like the product, when you try to get them into your website or your link, or try to capture their email, so forth. So it's a crazy organic traffic. I already have 21,000 followers, and I think I started about 45 days ago, something like that. So they actually, this is the hype right now. So if you guys if you guys are not really comfortable on putting your face on video or anything like that, a lot of people do use like tutorials, use the white chalkboard, they use pictures, PowerPoint, stuff like that. But honestly, recommendation, like, put your face out there. Okay, that's how a lot of people are going to know who they're talking to. They're going to see who they can trust and have advice, confidence, and stuff like that. So I know the first couple of videos are going to be a little off, but after that, you're going to get better and stronger, and you're going to have a lot more followers. And at the end, you are going to have a more better follower group. So I'll have a link down in the description, and it is talking about, as far as in Legendary Marketer, where they teach you and show you how to actually perform on TikTok, making these 15 60-second videos, and they show you as far as how to put yourself out there, what kind of hashtags you got to put out there, you know, how to actually start leveling up so more people can start seeing you. So there's going to be a link down there, and of course I think you do have to join the Legendary Marketer team, start off with that 15-day challenge, and then from there you can go ahead and purchase the TikTok course, which is only like $1. But honestly, that $1 takes you so far. And like I said, if you want to actually get crazy free leads, I would really do this. So this is number 4, TikTok right now. If you're not on it, get on it. All right, guys. So the 5th one and final website or site that we're going to be talking about is going to be YouTube. So YouTube is a very powerful platform here. And this is also like a search engine. Nowadays, people actually come out to YouTube and sorry about that. People come out to YouTube and they search for, if they're looking for anything. Nowadays, people like to have visual stuff. They don't like to read text. This is a new thing that we're doing, videos. So, plus YouTube actually has your videos here for a very long time. So people can come and look them up 1, 2, 3, 4 years later down the road, and you'll still have subscribers coming in. This is where you're going to go and teach them. This is where you're going to talk about whatever you're selling, what you're promoting, what you're doing, trying to teach them or whatever, and then at the end, or have links down at the bottom, and actually start sending people to your site, to whatever you're promoting. Then on top of that, this is also another extra revenue. Once you hit that minimum to get monetized, which is like 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours, you actually could get paid by YouTube to start running ads on your videos. So that's also another income stream. So yeah, YouTube is actually and I honestly think that YouTube is actually one of the most powerful platforms out here from all of it, because there, like I said, a lot of people come to YouTube. So and yeah, so these are the 5 free places that you could actually come out and get free traffic. So all you got to do is just put yourself out there, be consistent, do the work, and you will start seeing results. So if you guys haven't joined the actual 15-day challenge or want to get into the Legendary Marketer program to start promoting, there will be a link down in the bottom. Like I said, if you guys do join, I will get a commission, but after you join, you start learning, getting the tools, you'll start becoming an affiliate, you'll start promoting, and people are going to buy into your links, and it goes down the road. So pretty much what happens is they teach me, I start teaching you guys, and so forth, and then you start teaching people down the line. So that's just how it works. It's like a ladder where we all pretty much learn and we all earn. So like I said, join that 15-day challenge. If you wanted to get a link or get into that TikTok course as well, you do have to go into the Legendary Marketer, into that course, and then you'll be able to buy it for like $1. Like I said, I'll leave it down in the beginning in the description here. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down there and I'll get back to you guys. But not until then, I'll see you on the next one. All right, guys?